Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create music or song using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I would like to recommend you this AI that can help you to create a music or a song. Okay, you can visit this website suno.com and then you're going to click on create, and then we're going to create music. For example, I'm going to go to the custom and I'm going to activate the instrumental only. Okay, and then you can enter the style tags here. And for the style, I'm going to choose, wait, let me explore the style. Okay, I'm going to choose this, for example, pop fusion. And I'm going to combine it with winter and male husky voice and also midnight. Okay, and once you're ready to generate it, just click on create. Okay, if you want to create a song, you can turn off the instrumental, but here I'm just going to create instrumental only, and then let's create it. Okay, and now the music has been generated. I'm going to play it. Okay, and if you want to download it guys, you can click on these three dots and then you can click on download and choose MP3 audio. Download anyway. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create music or a song using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!